I'm spray painting ceiling today, and before I do this, I wanted to show you quick tips about the ceiling prep work that you want to do to make your ceiling look nice and smooth. So before you start patching, you want to inspect your ceiling and remove any spider webs that you can see in the corners, and make sure you do it properly, because whenever the spider webs are painted or spray painted, they look awful. I've already done it. You can use just a regular broom, go through it and make sure that you remove all the webs. Next, you want to make sure that you have proper lighting, like a daylight, or have a work light pointed to the ceiling. Inspect it and find any patching places where you want. For instance, here, this whole area was patched because there was a crack from the drywall, and I put fiber fuse, or you can put just regular tape and patch it, sand it. Now you also want to make sure that you remove all the lights, or you tape all the lights. In this case, all the pot lights were removed, you can see here, and you don't want to paint wires, so here I just taped them all around. The reason you do not want to keep all the pot light holes open, because if you spray paint it and the sprayer gets inside, it might blow out insulation, it might blow out web or some residues, and it's gonna stick to the ceiling. Once you patched everything, you want to take a work light or just regular light and just go and inspect everything. See, and if you have some imperfections like here, you might patch it again, depending on the smoothness you want to achieve, but that's essential. You want to inspect the ceiling. Now, once you patched everything, sanded and inspected, I absolutely recommend you taking 360 pole like this. See, it's a round pole sander. It's with extension. Take 150 grit sandpaper and go through the ceiling again, through the entire ceiling in the corners. It will guarantee you didn't miss anything. It will guarantee additional smoothness. It might make your work area a little bit dusty, and because you cannot attach vacuum to it, you will have to live with some dust a little bit. And once you sanded everything, do not forget to prime the sanded areas first before you start painting. I like to use this cover stain spray paint, unless there is a very large area that I will probably roll or spray. But for the small areas, I just use this one, and it's pretty good to cover all the stains or all the small sanded areas. Here is the little stain I have, and just from here, boom. And same for some sanded areas, you might see some shining here. So same, good enough. And of course, I use ladder or this bench just to show you how easy it is to spray. It's like that. And this is what you get in reward of your hard work preparing the ceiling. Look how smooth it is after applying flat paint. And there is enough lighting here to see any imperfections, but there are no imperfections. The important part is everything around the window, and that's what you want to achieve. Everything around the window is silky smooth, so you don't see anything. And same there. Everything around the window, you do not want to see any imperfections or any paint overlaps. Right, thanks for watching, and if you found this content helpful, please like, share, subscribe and comment down below, and until the next one.